Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. So we've made it to the last week. Please make sure if you have any grades or anything, turn it in so I can give you a grade and give you some points so that way it can help you out finish anything. If there's any assignments missing or if you want to update them to improve your grade, I'm all for that. So let's get into it this week. So last week, let's talk about it. We got a lot of cool stuff and let's get into it. So just some upcoming dates to be aware. So Monday so it's really interesting. That's not today actually. Monday to the last lecture this week. It's going to be the same time as always Tuesday. Sorry about the little issue with the Monday today. Should be always same time as always Tuesday. Should be tomorrow, 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Central. So don't be confused about that one. Lecture is always the same time no matter what on Tuesday. We'll have those announcements posted and everything should be on the announcements. So just go ahead and take a look. If you have any questions, let me know. Do keep in mind, last day of work is the 16th. So please make sure to have everything in by 11:59 p.m. on the 16th because once it hit that midnight, rolls over to Saturday, it becomes late. So just make sure about that so you know everything's good to go from there. And that'll be that. So sweet. Same thing with any missing work as well. Should be Friday by then. And then I'll be grading all weekend. Make sure everything is good to go. So sweet. So really interesting. So main focus on this week's going to be on ethics and visual communication, ethics overall, visual stereotypes, how they kind of shape perception. Also, we're going to talk about digital alteration ethics, permission to use images, understanding the social impact and regulations, what's right and what's wrong. So pretty much overall, we're going to try and take a look at ethics overall, how visuals are built with responses with ethics, and how it matters with the different images that we've built over time and how they look over those elements. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of things to take a look at. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But we have lecture on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, and that's all I got. So sweet. All right, everybody. Hope to see you all then. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. But take it easy, be safe. See you all on Tuesday. All right, bye-bye.